Are you a legal professional looking to reduce your contract turnaround time? Then this video is for you.
Real estate purchase agreements are one of the most time-consuming tasks for legal teams of all sizes. Processing these documents by hand requires the involvement of multiple stakeholders, including legal secretaries, paralegals, and attorneys. This results in double handling, numerous errors, and delayed contracts, risking client relationships and frustrating employees.
Keep your documents organized and compliant with SignNow, an e-signature solution that scales with your workflow. SignNow allows even non-tech-savvy users to send and sign documents on any device. Simply create an account, upload, e-sign, and send your first document in minutes. No training or downloads required. Here at SignNow, we don't charge for features you don't need to get documents done. On top of that, SignNow offers the greatest number of native integrations on the market. For you and your team, this means A, improved team collaboration, and B, complete visibility of the signing process. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses. Got questions? Ask us now in the comments section.